No tienes que pagar una fortuna
para vivir el estilo de vida de tus sueños.
I'm finally on my way to all my better days. Don't care what people say. I make the world my stage. Life is a beach, I hit the ocean.
Después de una semana larga de trabajo,
no hay nada mejor que disfrutar con tu familia.
I just do it for the thrill. Grass is always greener when you're sitting on a hill. And the glass is never empty cause I keep it real. I got big dreams that all about to come true.
esta no es solo una casa con acabados de lujo.
Es un lugar donde se crean recuerdos, se comparte la risa y se construyen los sueños.
It's a good life right now. It's a good life right now. Good life, it's a good life. Good life, it's a good life right now. Good life, it's a good life. It's a good life right now. Good life, it's a good life. Good life, it's a good life right now. Good life, it's a good life. It's a good life right now. Wake up, feel amazing. Good vibes, no hesitation. Big smile, so contagious. Great times, they out here waiting. I planted these seeds down. I'm watching these flowers bloom. I'm feeling alright now. I'm getting the good news. I'm leaning on faith. Yeah, I'm right where I'm supposed to be. Got my head in the clouds. I hope I never leave. The best days